hanamizuponko. I'm gonna teach you katakana by using everyday words. Japanese has 3 alphabets and katakana is one of them. Katakana is a syllable that is often used for transcriptions of foreign languages, expressing your feelings, or onomatopoeias. Also, katakana has the same characters as hiragana, but it's just written and used differently. Okay, today's katakana is naninuneno. 怠け者 sloth. Neat, bum, or not in employment. ぬるぬる slimy. ねばねば gooey. のこぎり saw. Katakana is also very useful to express a situation or an atmosphere for any word. For example, nokogiri is Japanese, so people usually use hiragana for it, but we also use katakana on purpose to express a different impression. So, it is convenient to know katakana. Okay, see you next time!